Feeling like a frog has taken up residence in your throat? Let's clear it out with these easy, natural remedies. First up, honey and warm water. Mix a tablespoon of honey into a cup of warm water. Sip it slowly. Honey coats your throat and eases irritation. Next, ginger tea. Slice up some fresh ginger, boil it in water and sip away. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and can soothe your throat. Don't forget about steam. Boil some water, pour it into a bowl and lean over it with a towel over your head. Breathe in deeply. The steam will help loosen mucus. Lastly, try gargling with salt water. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle. It can help reduce swelling and discomfort. There you have it. Some easy, natural ways to soothe that pesky cough. Stay healthy, and until next time,